When we plant a seed, we're planting hope for the future, a hope for new growth, and a hope for a better tomorrow. The future of agriculture is a landscape of unique challenges. Solving them requires planting new ideas and growing new innovations. NASA, in collaboration with the FAA's STEM Aviation and Space Education program, wants to plant your ideas so they can grow and develop the next generation of solutions in agriculture. We have the garden to make your dreams grow into a career in aviation. The 2025-2026 Dream With Us Design Challenge asks students in grades 6 through 12 to help create new innovative ways to integrate UAS into agriculture, ensuring safe, efficient application of engineering concepts. Middle school students will work in teams to design or improve current drone technologies to help with the agricultural industry. Teams will also create a campaign to educate kids about their drone design and how it will help agriculture. High school student teams will design a drone to help monitor plants and detect pests, which affect plant health and impact agriculture. An engineering notebook will include the team's design, the drone's capabilities, and other sections including a business and communications plan. So teams will need a variety of skills to compete. Visit the Dream With Us website to learn more about this exciting challenge.